Tauner electric milk frother Whisk Handheld Eggbeater coffee frother for coffee latte cappuccino hot chocolate kitchen tool black dot easy to use and clean. This handheld milk frother is lightweight and has ergonomically styled soft touch handle. You can use the foam maker to froth both hot milk and other liquids. It is specially styled in black color so that to fit into any modern kitchen. In addition, it is very easy to use and clean. The ideal for coffee lover, milk frother with high-speed rotation of the stainless steel whisk. So if you love your morning coffee with lots of froth, this milk frother is ideal for creating delicate foam for coffee, matcha, lattes cappuccino, hot chocolate and more. Treat yourself with a made-at-home latte or cappuccino any morning right in your own kitchen. The USB charging design and long-lasting, unlike other AA battery-operated milk frother in the market, our new version milk frother no need to replace batteries frequently. This powerful milk frother used the USB charging design. You can use it 1 month or longer after full charge. Very convenient, money-saving, energy-saving and eco-friendly. The wide range of uses, it can be used not only for frothing milk, but also used for mixing milkshakes, cocktails, fruit drinks, eggs, soups, dressing, etc. The great customer service. Tauner customer service via email to reach us. Find the service email via your user manual. Our service team is available 24/7, ready to assist you with any trouble that you may experience. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.